This is the Solary H7E on Amazon. I got the deluxe kit, which was about $200. I just received it. I just opened the package. This is what you get. Updated coils. Let's plug it in and see what happens. As you can see, once plugged in, it does make noise. When I push the button, the light does come on. Position this a little better. Now, when we put the rebar in here, the end of it should get hot, assuming that it's working. I'll leave it on there a little while. But really, it should be pretty warm already to the touch, I would think. Judging by other people's videos, once this thing's on there, it heats up pretty quick. Not even warm. And I tried all the different coils and nothing. It's upsetting, but even in the Amazon reviews before I bought it, people were complaining that they were arriving DOA. I really wanted this tool to work. I still want this tool to work. I've never had one, and I've been doing exhaust for 20 years with an acetylene torch. And it would be nice to be able to just heat something up in a very specific location without torching everything. We'll see what Amazon says. I also contacted the manufacturer, Solary, because it comes with a little card that tells you that if you have any issues, to contact them. We'll see.